As a business owner, you can take some very easy, small, simple steps to protect your business against crimes. Let's discuss general guidelines that all business owners should consider for their business safety and security. Good cash management practices can help create a safe environment for you and your staff. Create good habits and protocols for managing large amounts of cash or deposits. Create a cash management policy to reduce the amount of cash in your register and business. Practice making regular safe drops to keep cash balances low. Put a "Make That Drop" sign near the register to remind your cashiers about regular cash drops. Monitor for slow times of the day and make your bank deposits at the slowest hours, but never after dark. Create multiple routes for traveling from your business to your bank and from your bank to your business. Using different routes will help reduce criminals from following or knowing your behavior. Don't take any of your business deposits home. Criminals have been known to follow business owners to their home. Keeping your home safe should always be priority. Consider using armored transport services available through your bank for deposits and cash withdrawals. Proper maintenance of your business hardware will help better protect the business from break-ins and burglaries. Always perform regular checks on locks, keypads, lights, doors, etc. Check all of your door locks, keypads, and door hardware for proper function and replace any old and worn locks, pads, and hardware. Regularly checking your hardware will help lower the chances of break-ins or thefts. Check all property gates and shutters for weakness and repair immediately to prevent break-ins or burglaries, and check property fences for gaps that would allow unwanted entry to your business. Cleanliness and regular upkeep of your business shows customers your commitment to a clean environment and place of business, which creates a positive image for your business. Due to heightened awareness of COVID-19, there is new focus to keep places of businesses clean and sanitized. You can do this by creating a regular cleaning schedule for high traffic and high contact areas, doorknobs, door handles, restroom doors, keypads, registers, and etc. Talk to your employees about washing hands regularly to avoid passing or getting infections. Request your employees to wear face masks and gloves or use hand sanitizers often. Work with a third-party company to clean and sanitize difficult-to-clean areas and surfaces in your business, or if you don't have enough staff to manage regular cleaning and sanitation. Educate and discuss with your employees the safety and security concerns for your business and work together to address those concerns. Watch the How to Handle Robbery video provided by EPB to help you and your staff better understand robbery situations and how to react in those situations. This training video is highly recommended for anyone in retail business operations. Discuss how your employees can be more aware during operating hours and train your employees to notice any new, strange, or unknown individuals. Ask your employees to perform regular walks around the business and monitor for unusual activity and report any such activity to you. During opening and closing hours, ask employees to be on full alert. During closing hours, your employees should do a full walk around of property to make sure no one is on site. Before opening, your employees should drive around the business to ensure any threats are spotted early before a situation can develop. Talk to your employees, make good changes as necessary to show you value their opinion. Good training and education can help save lives in their retail business. By being proactive and taking these simple steps, you can feel more confident about the safety and security of your business and provide the best lookout for your employees and customers.